Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. This feature is perfect for keeping important messages visible at the top of your chats, whether it's a reminder, a link, or a key piece of information. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is up to date so you can access all the latest features. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, go to the chat or group where the message you want to pin is located. Open the conversation you need. Step 3. Next, find the specific message you want to pin. Long press on that message to select it. This will bring up options for that message. Step 4. After selecting the message, look at the top of the screen and tap on the 3 dots icon. This will open a menu with more options. Step 5. In the menu, tap on Now Pin. This will pin the selected message to the top of the chat for easy access. Step 6. You'll then be asked how long you want the pin to last. You can choose from 3 options: 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Select the duration that works best for you. Step 7. Finally, tap on Pins again to confirm your choice. Now, that message will stay pinned at the top of the chat for the duration you selected. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a message on WhatsApp. It's a great way to keep important information front and center without scrolling through the chat. If you ever want to unpin it, just tap and hold the pinned message and select Unpin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips.